Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we have another two smartwatches. Okay, we are now on a series of comparison review of different smartwatches. Okay, here we have the Q15 Smartwatch, an affordable mid-range smartwatch, and the other one is the Q23 Smartwatch, okay, with a much premium look, but still it has a Bluetooth call and full touchscreen interface. Okay, so we are going to compare these two smartwatches. Okay, so there are some questions whether which is better, the Q15 or the Q23. Okay, so we'll show you the different menus and features as well as the basic specs of both smartwatches, so you can decide on whether which is better buy. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Again, this is our Q15 smartwatch and this one our Q23 smartwatch. And as you can see here, it has a different design. Okay, so let's verify first if this is really the Q23 smartwatch. Okay, general about. As you can see here, we have the Q23 smartwatch and the other one. Let's check. We have the Q15 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check on the design. Okay, as you can see here, it has a different setup of body frame. Okay, here on our Q15 we have the usual design with the crown button on the side. Okay, so we have a crown button here, but it's not functional. It's only for power on and power off button, as you can see here. While for the Q23 we also have a power button, but it is located on the left side. Okay, so as you can see, it's a bit different. I guess this is to avoid any accidental pressing of the power button, as you can see here, when you are moving. So it's a bit okay, it's a bit different from the usual setup of a smartwatch. So both do have a rectangular design, almost the same in size, with 2.5D tempered glass screen. Okay, so on the side, the Q15 do have a much slimmer body. I think both do have a PC material. At the back, as you can see here, they have a quick release pin for the strap. Well, for the Q15 we have some very easy to replace. This strap is very easy to replace. Okay, we have the quick release pin and it has a lot of options for the strap when with this type of design. While for the Q23, seems like a proprietary strap. Okay, although there's a quick release pin, it will not be easy for you to find an alternative for this style. Okay, for the screen display here, I think I like the screen display of the Q23. Okay, and very responsive. Let's check on the specs here. So for the Q15, as you can see here, so zinc alloy body. Okay, so this is a zinc alloy body compared to the Q23 with a PC material. So I'm mistaken. The PC material is the back cover here. Okay, again for the screen display, we have a 1.69-inch IPS HD full touchscreen. Okay, it is using the HRY Fine Support App, Bluetooth 4.0 with a Bluetooth 3.0 support here. Okay, 180 mAh battery. Okay, 30.2 grams. Compatible with Android 5.1 and above, and iOS 8.2 and above. This is for the Q15, while for the Q23, we have a very limited information on the specs here. We have 1.69 TFT color screen with 39.2 grams. Bigger battery, 300 mAh battery. Again, let's check. Let's have a side by side. Okay, so battery goes to the Q23 with the 300 mAh, almost double with the Q15, which is 180 mAh. So much heavier for the Q23, 39.2 grams. For the screen display, the same size, 1.69, but the other one is IPS, and the Q23 is TFT color screen. Okay, both are using magnetic charging. Okay, so we have here, can we replace it? Long press. Okay, let's look for a much lighter. Okay, we have it here. Okay, so as you can see here, very big black border on the bottom part of the Q23. Do you notice it here? Okay, I show it in the light. Okay, very big but slim on top and right and left. While for the Q15 here, it's almost the same size, a bit bigger here on the bottom part, but it's not noticeable. Okay, so for the features, let's check again. Let's see, notifications on top. For the Q15, we have the quick settings. Okay, so here's the quick settings, which is better. Okay, but almost the same. Okay, features here. Okay, on. It's hard to navigate for the Q23, I think. On the left side or right side, we have the different menus and features here. Main features. For the Q15, we have the split screen. If you love split screen, okay, it shows the common or the recently accessed applications. On the right side, we have the different watch faces. Okay, for the menus, just press the power button, I think. Let's check. Oh, power off. Okay, I think it's on the bottom part. Okay, here just press for this one. Okay, so for the Q23, you have to press the power button. For the Q15, you have to swipe from top to bottom. Okay, so for the features, we have dial, message. Okay, it's almost the same features here. Bluetooth camera, find phone, but this one do have a body temperature. This one I don't see any body temperature. Let's check. Okay, let's adjust first the screen display. Settings. Hand light. Screen time. Let's make it 60 seconds. How about this one? Let's see if we do have an adjustment. Okay, settings, general. Okay, we don't have it here. Brightness, wake screen. Okay, as you can see, it's missing. I don't know if I miss it or we don't have it here. Okay, maybe this one. Choose how long to keep the screen on. Okay, wait, it's a different term here. Only 12 seconds. Okay, so again, let's explore the menus. So activity, dial, workout, so pedometer, So we have here on the Q15, we have a blood pressure, we have a blood oxygen, heart rate, and blood pressure. The same, heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen. Except that there's a body temperature monitoring here for the Q23. Okay. For the sports, it's ready here outside of the menu for the Q15, while for the Q23 it is categorized here into workout. Okay, you see it? We have here the workout. Okay, comprehensive. I think the Q23 do have a much better UI. Okay, much professional looking compared with the Q15 that it's already here outside. I will show it to you. As you can see, running, cycling, skipping. Okay, very limited sports. Unlike the Q23 that we have a lot of sports here. Okay, calculator, support for Siri, WhatsApp application. That is just the notification. The Q23 also support notifications. We have a calculator here. Let's see. Okay, we also have a calculator. Okay, so let's check on the heart rate, which has a better sensor or animation here or UI. Let's check. So we have here the heart rate. You just don't like the screen display time of the Q23. Very short, as you can see. You only have 12 seconds. So here we have the heart rate for the Q23, and we have the Q15. Okay, so we don't have the result because we did not wear it properly. Blood pressure. So we have the animation here. I think this one is much better when it comes to the features. Cycling, workout. Let's see. Walking, running, cycling. Okay, as you can see here, so it monitors for the time. Both monitors for the time, beats per minute. Okay, for the other one in calories. This one, distance and calories only. Go back. Stop. Confirm. Okay, so different menus here, but it's not categorized in the Q15. Unlike with the Q23, the UI is much easy to navigate as it is categorized into or it is arranged into different categories. Dial. Let's go to the settings here. Okay, go back. And light, brightness, screen time, battery, vibration here, language. Do we have a support for language here? The other one? Okay, seems like we don't have for the Q23. In the Q15 we have it here. We also have a password. Here, do we have a password? Oh no, we don't have a password. Let's check on the general. Reset. Okay, we don't have a password support for the Q23. While for the Q15 we do have it here. And a language support. So there are some miss and misses for both smartwatches, as you can see. Although we also have a music control here. We have it here. Yes, we also have it here, the Bluetooth music control. Okay. Overall, it's up to you. Okay. Whether you really need a body temperature, the Q23 do have it here, while the Q15 don't have the feature. Okay, if you like the UI with Q23, go for this compared to the Q15. But when it comes to design, I think the Q23 do have a much better look, although it has a PC material, unlike the Q15 that it has a zinc alloy body frame. So the same screen display size, okay, 2.5D tempered glass. okay, with a flexible silicone strap. Okay, our Q15 smartwatch, and this is our Q23 smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions if we do have that time.